Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create color by number book using Canva design. These are the ones I've created so far, and then I'm going to be showing you another form of creativity apart from the one you are seeing to create a children's book using Canva. It is easy to use, and I'll be right back with all the steps. Welcome back. So how do we access Canva? To access Canva on your PC, just write there canva.com. So when you get to canva.com, register and you start to create. If it is phone you want to use, just go to your Play Store and write there Canva design app and it will bring it up. So I click on create and I look for the right dimension, which is A4. Looking for A4. I think I saw it before. Letterhead also can work, but I want to make sure I use A4. There is A4 size to make sure that it is perfect for us. Okay, sorry, this is A4. So I have my A4. When I get here, the next thing I'm going to do, there is for now Canva don't have coloring book. Let me search coloring page. Okay, for now these are what Canva actually have for us as colored by number pages. Some of them are not bad, but sometimes you really want to bring out your own creativity, and some of them are not like colored by number. They are just like outline drawing, not really well arranged as the books we have for now in 21st century. So what we just need to do is to use their platform to create this and also add to their platform. So very easy. Just type go to your element and type the kind of picture you want to use. Let me just use the word animals. Then under animal, let me click on the word graphics. Animal outline. And so can they understand what I mean? Yes, they understood. So this is outline of different animals that they have. Remember, on google.com you can get more of this. If you type that same word, you should be able to get a lot. So this is just like a little for what is achievable. I think this is not bad. Let me see whether I can get something more mature and something more easy for the children to color, because I have to put that in place also. Okay, and I think the rabbit, this is not going to be bad at all. So from here right now, okay, or I use a simple animal, which is us. I think this is not bad, but there are a lot of pictures. You need to make sure that you know exactly what you want to use, like, and don't be like me. Okay, so shapes. I type the word shapes and I need to delete this. I need the one of outline. This is the one of outline. I think let me use this time. Okay, so I want to bracket where exactly I want to use to create my work, so that my work will be professionally done. Black, having everything black would be nice. Then position it backward. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do right now, I need to get the children's names, and you can zoom in. I need the children's names and the colors and what they are coloring. Let me just copy the ones I've written before. I'll show you how to type that out now. Okay, this is it. So how do you get this? Just click on the word name, title, and add the title and change the font. So I have red, yellow, blue, green, and the number. So let me add more lines to make this real. I like this circular shape, and I want to make use of it as something like something like this. Okay, let me make it black. There's something I want to do. I think this can go backward, but if it goes backward, it will still have some kind of effect on the object. So I can erase this object, not by erasing. That what we do is to, like, now maybe I don't want it on this part. I can get this shape, make it transparent, make it white, and I drop it in between. If I zoom in, I can arrange it well. I do this a lot. Canva don't really have for now. Canva don't have the method for us to erase this, so this is the only trick we have to get our work done. If I need it again here, I can do almost the same thing on the mouth. I think I need it on the mouth. Okay, not bad. By the time I zoom out, it won't really show. Okay, they're showing, just drag it backwards. I think this is fine. So after that, I need a lot of lines. Let me just type the word line, and this is the kind of line I need. So with this line right now, play with the lines. Remember, you can still use that same method to cover any part you wish to cover. So I'm trying to, let me go to shapes again and see any type of shape again I can adopt. Trying to look at ways to just, yeah, I think this shape is not going to be bad. Okay, make it black. Okay, so this is one example. So what I will need to do now is to now type all my numbers. So to type that, I click on text, I click on the word, just write 1. Okay, change the font. So these are the 1 series. One is going to be here again. Let's try 2. 2 series. Let's try 3. No, let me try 4 here. 4. So let's continue 4 like that. Four series. 1. Okay, let's try 5 now. 5. 5. 5. I think for now my color by number book is ready. So another way you can do it again is to go to google.com. When you get to your google.com, just search animal outline drawing. So it's going to bring a lot of animals. So you can see these are the major. If I take this for now, this elephant, I copy the elephant. Thank God it's even, when you see something like this, it's called PNG. So it's very easy to use. So I click on another page. You can copy and paste direct. So this animal right now, what do I need to do? Shapes again. Now remember I said it has to be outlined. Then okay, after this, what do I need to do? I think it's better going down. I like to add some grass. Let me click on the word graphics. Let me see what they have for me. Okay, this is what I need. Another small one. I want to add the butterfly. This is not bad. It's not going to be bad to have the butterfly on it. Okay. Make it look real. Any other thing again? Maybe cloud. Okay, so let me get my name, my color by number, paste. That means I can still extend this. Yes. Is this too much? I was thinking if the grass is too much, I like, okay, it's not shoky like this. So what's the next thing I'm going to do? So the next thing I'm going to do, I would like it like a garden. It's a garden. Oh, that's true. Garden is fine. The garden of elephant. Okay, so the elephant is in the garden. Let me make it go up a little bit. Yeah, yeah, it's not bad. So the elephant is in the garden. What's the next thing I'm going to do? The next thing I'm going to do is to give it my number. So let me zoom in. No, not even giving it my number. I think I need some lines. Some lines to carve out my creativity. Lines. My line. I can get curved line. Let me even see curved line. Curve. Curved line. I know they don't really have much curved line. Okay, it's not bad, but where do I want to use it here? Let me just start from line. Let me just use general line. So this is not bad. I don't really like the cross on it. I think this is manageable. So if I did this, how does it look? But if I had it back, it will look nice. You know, just think of anyhow you want to do it. Or if it is just butterfly, you know, just creativity matters. Creativity matters. Your creativity matters a lot. So I think this is simple as much as possible, not to make my work too clumsy, and yeah, I think that will be fine. After this, I start my numbering again and again. So this is nice. I'd like you to give it a try. Give it a try as much as possible. Send me your own work. I'll be expecting to see them. These are the ones I've created so far. So let me see your work. You can send your work to me via WhatsApp, and then you can drop a comment below, and I will appreciate it. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Have a lovely exploration. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.